Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
How and where can you find fall DIY recipes? When you fire the game up for the month of September, Isabel will send you a seasonal DIY recipe for a tree's bounty little tree, which you craft by using pine cones and acorns obtained by shaking trees.
Take our lead.
Step number 1. Know where your balloons are coming from. Balloons won't always fly in from the same side of the island. Step number 2. Check the time. Balloons spawn on every 4th or 9th minute. Step number 3. Run up and down the beach. Step number 4. Shoot down the balloon and repeat. Step number 5. Pray to the RNG gods.
Take our lead.
With the King Tut mask acquired, put it on your villager from your inventory as you would any other piece of clothing. Now that you've got the mask on, all you need to do to trip is keep running around. As long as the King Tut mask is on, you've got a chance of tripping and falling over in Animal Crossing New Horizons.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
You'll need them to create new crafting recipes. Similar to cherry blossom petals, maple leaves will appear in the air around your island, and you can use your net to catch them, just like you'd catch a bug.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.